So I went back and looked at my story that I started yesterday about the spider, and I'm going to now read it again because I'm not sure where I left off. So I'm going to have to read it again just to make sure. One morning, I went out to the deck to see the birds. I saw something. Hmm. Hmm. One morning, oh, that's the beginning of a sentence. So I need to fix that and make that a capital O. One morning, I went out to the deck to see the birds. I saw something. I think this is a sentence. So let me put a period here and just check it. One morning, I went out to the deck to see the birds. Yes, that's a good sentence. I saw something in the side of the deck. Deck. It was crawling around. I saw something in the side of the deck. It was crawling around. It looked scary. I remember I said scary was one of the words that I used. So let me read this again and make sure it makes sense. One morning, I went out to the deck to see the birds. I saw something in the side, oh, that doesn't make sense. On the side of the deck. That makes sense. It was crawling around. It looked scary. Oh, I need a period here. Okay, so make sure that when you're working on your writing that you're constantly checking that it makes sense and checking for capital letters and periods and good sentences. I can't wait to read what you wrote.